The migration process is often compared to moving from a home you've occupied for decades to a new home with a completely different floor plan and design. Thinking about how the new home will improve your life is exciting, but confronting the struggle of sorting, packing, moving, and unpacking all your stuff is daunting. Whether you use a professional LMS moving company like SkillQ or take the U-Haul approach for your LMS migration, preparation is the key to a smooth transition. Moreover, it is the primary determinant of the cost and organizational disruption caused by the change in LMS. With that in mind, are you ready to move on from your old learning management system? If so, we've got the perfect pre-migration checklist to ensure a smooth transition. So let's dive in and start packing. Step 1. Organize a pre-migration planning session. In this step, you'll meet with key stakeholders to galvanize support and brainstorm your approach to gather critical information about your learning management environment. You should identify the information and data categories targeted for collection in the meeting. Step 2. Identify and inventory training assets in the old LMS. Using the categories collected in the meeting, inventory training assets in the current LMS, and gather information about e-learning courses, project files, videos, and other content used in the LMS. Step 3. Build or update the course and curricula catalogs. Remember that you need a standalone course catalog outside of your current LMS to track and manage courses and assets during migration. A spreadsheet is often the best place to store this information. Step 4. Document user groups and branches. This documentation step is often overlooked in the typical LMS. These organizational structures, however, will be critical when you migrate to the new LMS. Step 5. Catalog notifications used by the system. Create a catalog of all notifications with details of each notification in your current system to ensure you have the information necessary to recreate these in the new system. Step 6. Plan for LMS data migration. Work with your IT contact to identify and extract data fields and map them to the new system to minimize migration time. Also, consider creating a data dictionary for the system. Step 7. Identify system integrations to and from your LMS. Evaluate and document all existing integrations with your LMS. Collect relevant documentation about the technical aspects of the integration to save time during migration. Step 8. Catalog development documents and assets. This process should include project files, SCORM files, and other assets and artifacts needed for migration. Consider now your strategy for managing incomplete or missing assets. Migrating to a new LMS may be daunting, but following these steps can streamline the process and lead to a successful implementation. For more information about how SkillQ can help you prepare for an upcoming migration, click the link in the description or click Contact Us on skillq.com.